To use the 2x star card in Mario Party, you first need to obtain the card, which can be purchased from the item shop or received as a reward for completing certain tasks. Once you have the 2x star card, it can be used to double the number of stars you receive when you buy a star from a Starspace on the board. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use the 2x star card. First, make sure you have the 2x star card in your inventory. Then, land on a Starspace on the board, which will give you the option to buy a star. Before confirming the purchase, use the 2x star card to activate its effect. The card will double the number of stars you receive, so if you buy 1 star, you will get 2 stars instead. The 2x star card can only be used once, so use it strategically to maximize its effect. For example, if you are close to the end of the game and need to catch up with the leader, using the 2x star card can give you a significant advantage. It is also important to note that the 2x star card only works when buying stars from a Starspace, and not when receiving stars as a reward for completing minigames or other tasks. In addition to the 2x star card, there are other item cards in Mario Party that can help you gain an advantage. For example, the mushroom card allows you to move extra spaces, while the shell card can be used to slow down your opponents. Using these item cards strategically can help you win the game. To get the most out of the 2x star card, it is essential to understand the game mechanics and plan your moves carefully. Try to conserve the 2x star card until you really need it, and use it to get the maximum number of stars possible. With practice and experience, you can learn how to use the 2x star card effectively and improve your chances of winning in Mario Party.